Hello, class. Do you want to listen to the story of Little Rabbit? So, get ready because 1, 2, 3, it's story time for you and me. Open your eyes, open your ears, and pay attention. Once upon a time, once upon a time, once upon a time, once upon a time, Little Rabbit was sleeping in his house. Then Mommy Rabbit decided to wake him up. Little Rabbit, Little Rabbit, wake up, wake up. And Little Rabbit said, good morning, Mommy. Good morning, Mommy. Good morning, Mommy. And Mommy said to Little Rabbit, Little Rabbit, Mommy is going shopping. Mommy is going shopping. So don't go out. Don't go out. Don't go out. And Little Rabbit said, okay, Mommy. Okay, Mommy. Okay, Mommy. So Mommy went shopping and Little Rabbit stayed at home. Suddenly came his friend the dog. Woof, 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 woof. Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock. And Little Rabbit said, who's that? Who's that? Who's that? And the dog answered, Little Rabbit, it's me, the dog. Little Rabbit, it's me, the dog. Come out, come out, come out. Let's play tennis. Let's play tennis. Let's play tennis. But Little Rabbit remembered what Mommy said. And Little Rabbit said, no, 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 I can't. No, 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 I can't. Mommy said, don't go out. Mommy said, don't go out. Mommy said, don't go out. And the dog said, okay, Little Rabbit. Okay, Little Rabbit. Bye-bye. And the dog went away. Later came another friend, the cat. Meow, 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 meow. And the cat knocked at the door. Little Rabbit, Little Rabbit. And Little Rabbit said, who's that? Who's that? Who's that? And the cat said, it's me, the cat. It's me, the cat. Come out, Little Rabbit. Come out, Little Rabbit. Come out, Little Rabbit. Let's play volleyball. Let's play volleyball. Let's play volleyball. But Little Rabbit remembered what Mommy said. And Little Rabbit said, no, 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 I can't. No, 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 I can't. Mommy said, don't go out. Mommy said, don't go out. Mommy said, don't go out. So the cat said, okay, Little Rabbit. Okay, Little Rabbit. Bye-bye. And the cat went away. Then came the third friend of Little Rabbit, who was a bird. Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock. And Little Rabbit said, who's that? Who's that? Who's that? And the bird said, Little Rabbit. Little Rabbit. It's me, the bird. Come out. Come out. Let's play basketball. Let's play basketball. Let's play basketball. And Little Rabbit said, no, 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 I can't. Mommy said, don't go out. Mommy said, don't go out. And the bird said, okay, Little Rabbit. Okay, Little Rabbit. Bye-bye. So the bird went away. And suddenly, while Little Rabbit was at home, came a snake. so the snake can't knock at the door. But little rabbit listened something, so little rabbit said, "Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?" And nobody answered the question. So little rabbit continued playing at his bedroom, but he continued listening something strange. And little rabbit said, "An idea, an idea, an idea." Little rabbit is going out. Little rabbit is going out. So when little rabbit went out, boom! Suddenly saw the snake that said, "I'm going to eat you. I'm going to eat you. I'm going to eat you." And little rabbit was so scared that shouted, "Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!" But Mommy was too far away. She didn't listen to little rabbit, and the snake repeated again, "I'm going to eat you. I'm going to eat you. I'm going to eat you." So little rabbit shouted very, very loud, "Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!" And Mommy listened to little rabbit. So Mommy come jumping, running. And when Mommy was there, said, "Hurry, snake, go away! Hurry, snake, go away!" So the snake was so scared of Mommy Rabbit that take his body and went away, very, very far away, very, very far away. But what do you think? Mommy Rabbit was happy or angry? Yes, Mommy Rabbit was very angry. And Mommy Rabbit said to Little Rabbit, "Little Rabbit, Mommy said, don't go out. Mommy said, don't go out." And Little Rabbit was very sad and said, "Sorry, Mommy. Sorry, Mommy. Sorry, Mommy. I won't repeat it again. I won't repeat it again. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss." So Mommy Rabbit said, "Okay, Little Rabbit. Okay, Little Rabbit. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Mwah, mwah, mwah." And that's all. And that's all. And that's all.